Okay, so the first thing he's doing, he's going to the 3rd fret on the D string, slide it up to the 5th fret, then play that 5th fret on the B, and you'll play from the D to the B 3 times each. Then go from the 5th to the 3rd on the D, and then the 3rd on the B, same thing. And then the 2nd fret on the D, 1st fret on the B, play that 3 times. And now you leave your hand there and just move your finger from the 2nd fret on the D to the 3rd fret and play it 1 time. All together slow. Then what he does, he plays the C chord and he arpeggiates from the high E, 1st fret on the B string, open G, and 2nd fret on the D string. And then he starts the verse. And that's a C chord, which is a 3rd fret on the A, 2nd fret on the D string, open G, 1st fret on the B string. Then he plays the 2nd chord, it's a G chord with a B in the bass. So 2nd fret on the A, open D, open G, and the 3rd fret on the B string. Then A minor, open A, 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 1st fret on the B string, and open. Then G. Does that 2 times, and then a G chord, 3rd fret on the low E, open D, open G, and 3rd fret on the B. So it sounds like this. In the bridge, he does the F to G to C to A minor, back to F, then an E minor, then a G. All together. Then it goes into the chords. And those chords are C major, A minor, A minor to G. So it sounds like this. Then it goes back to the verse. Then he does the solo. And the chords in the solo are the chorus, C, E minor, A, G, then the bridge chords, F sharp, G, C, A minor, F, E minor, G. Then it goes back into the chorus.